morning, welcome back to the channel. For today we'll be fixing the final repairs on the Copen. So if you might have known, I think I've told you about it. So on this side we'll be changing the lower control arms, the tire head ends. Yeah, I think that's about it. And the back one will be replacing the whole rear axle, because I've already removed some of the stuff. So from the impact from the side on the gutter, is push the stub axle up a bit. So when you put everything in, it's giving the rear wheel some camber, so it's like getting out of alignment a bit. So yeah, so I've removed some of the disc and stuff. So I've disconnected that. I've disconnected this ones as well, and next thing I have to disconnect the hole on the other side, the whole drums and stuff, and maybe disconnect these ones too. Then that's about it, and try to lower the whole thing. So I've already got these ones. So this is for a cure, so I have to do some modification for it as well, because they're not exactly the same. Let's see. Yep, I thought so. So basically, oh, there's already holes for it. So that's the holes for the sway bars, because the Copen has the rear sway bars. So I think it will just bolt onto here, if I'm not mistaken. So basically it's gonna be a straight swap, but I'm gonna remove this, undo these ones too, because you don't need this, because I'm running the gecko coilovers in there. So yeah, it might not be an easy one, but we'll get there. So both fronts, I'll be running the front GTVI ones. So I've got new tire rod ends, left and right. I've also got, oh, we're also replacing the drive shaft too. So I've also got the control arms. So it's gonna be they're gonna be a GTVI stuff. So I'm gonna have more camber in the front, and I also have camber bolts to fix it back, because I think 3 degrees camber is gonna be heaps. So I also have the drive shaft to suit. So yeah, that's gonna go in the front, and I'll continue doing the back ones. So I'll go do this side too, and I'll cue in a time lapse for you.
Try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out. You can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down the fire away, but I'm a heavyweight.
One there, oh. You can't really tell actually, but see, it's not straight, it's pointing up a bit. Makes a huge difference on the camber compared to this one, which is straight as. Anyway, we'll be, oh, let me go get the other one. They're light, but not. They're sort of the same, sort of. Only difference I'm seeing is this big bushing in the front. Oh, I wonder if this makes a difference. Everything else looks to be the same. Oh, the bushings are bigger too. Interesting. So this one's a bit longer. The whole bushing thing, it's just a bit longer. Oh, true. It's oh, come on.
Try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out. You can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't need my soul. You can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can
Keep it here to dry.
shoot me down the
And let's spray some black paint.
but I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight.
Mali pala. Kin ba kita ada flare na? Mudah meron tanin kasi ano? Mudah meron tanin ikabin mo lang. Kasi mo tumapuligos eh.
Push me down to the ground. What goes around comes around. You don't put the flame out. You can't get to me. Say what you wanna say. Take it all away. But I'm here to stay. No, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear
Ha?
down the fire away. But I'm a heavyweight.
Kasi dapat si kalab na diba?
I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight.
Ano ito tangkit mo na ito? Kasi mga anak ulibos na ito anak. Sabay sa mga ito. So yesterday I actually ran out of light, so I wasn't able to record the front end swap for it. So this is how it looks like. So I've got a few degrees of camber in the front. So also on the other side. So alignment's still off. That's why I'm just about to run out to McGregor to get an alignment. So I'll see you there. edit that out. I'll edit that out. So I just got back from the alignment shop and just going to the shop, but here it is. Now she's aligned.